So how can you make a blurry video clear in your Android? Let's talk about it. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never, miss anything important. Anyways, it all comes down to your phone and everything, right? So the first step would be, I quickly need to mention it, like if you need to make sure it's much better to capture the a video in a good enough quality than trying to fix it later, right? So just focus on, the manual focus within your videos and make sure that everything is, in the frame and sharp right away. But if you already end up with a video which isn't that sharp, you can still perform some changes later, even though it's a bit more complicated, but you can technically do this when you open up the Photos app and you go to the edit mode by tapping the pencil icon below, and you can adjust a couple of different things, right? So you just go to this mode or the sun icon where you just dial down to the brightness and exposure and all of that stuff. And you can see we can add the definition and sharpness. So you can most definitely try to bump it up to see the difference, to see if it makes any difference, right? It's only like a post-production method to change it, but at least there is something that we can do even using the built-in Photos app, right? So built-in gallery can have some tools ready for it. Outside of that, you can see that I can also check out the CapCut video editor, which a lot of people use. I think it's a great application for a bunch of different editing styles. And when you import your clips into the timeline, you can also just edit and perform some changes to it. So you can see we can add the clip like that, and of course adjust the different things. You can change the video quality, you can add some clarity, and you can see that perhaps it will give you more options on how you can bring back the sharpness and the definition. So let me know if you managed to do anything about it. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the videos upcoming ones, of course. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.